Hi. So in the previous lecture, we have seen that how we can create Azure pipeline using the Helm chart on mostly component on a CD side. We have seen as UI part. So we have seen the old classic editor. But most of the time, when you're working in a corporate world, that mostly you will have an YML pipeline. So we'll convert that the pipeline into the YML pipeline. So let's go to the repo and we have an Azure pipeline. This is only a CI pipeline. So what we will do, we will copy all of the component that we have used for Helm chart into here, and we will create the whole pipeline so that we do not have to do anything on a UI side. We just run this pipeline and it will do everything. Okay. So most of the time, like here, if you can see, we have just created a Maven build pipeline that uses a zip build and published the artifact. So what is the next step? Then we have published the artifact. Then when we try to uh, install the ham and then ham upgrade, then we require the artifact. So first of all, we'll have to download the artifact. So this is a simple task. I'll have to edit it. So in the next task, we have download the artifact. It has nothing to build type is a current and the target part is by a pipeline that workspace. So the folder structure would be there as a home point or a home directory. Then we have a ham installer. This is a simple task. It will install the ham version that is in a currently we have 2.9.1 and then input has ham version, Kubernetes version and the latest Kubernetes version. Sorry, check latest version, that is a false or true. But in our case we are just putting as a false. Then we have the ham deploy. So here in a ham deploy, I'll just change this to 3 because I'm just copied from the 2 which is for testing purpose. So here we have a ham upgrade, that is a display name that we have already tried in a UI site. Then we have a connection type, that is an Azure Resource Manager. Then we have a subscription because we have connection on the basis of the resource group. So if you remember that we have created a service connection. So this is the service connection name and this is a Kubernetes resource group and Kubernetes cluster name. The command is upgrade, of course, and chart type is a file path and the file pipeline dot workspace, and S is for searching and search for a chart. So release name is demo 003 and force it. That's so simple. In case you face some difficulties over here in a chart path, then you can also add additional tasks like this. So that what will happen, you will come to know that what exactly it is running. So I made just pwd and lrt. There are two commands in the Unix site. So let's commit and try to run. I hopefully it should run. So let's go to the pipeline. It's already started, in fact. So in case it asking, just permit and the job will be started. So this may take a little while. I'll try to pause the video and we'll see that. Okay, so pipeline has started. So let me pause the video. Okay, so pipeline has been successfully completed and we can see the ham upgrade has been also completed. Here we can see there is an LSLRT, so this is a working directory. So whenever you face some sort of issue, because when I faced the issue initially that whenever I tried to ham upgrade, the path could not found, chart path could not be found. So I just tried to use this run script and where I get to know that this is the home directory and then after our chart directory is here. So in this way I have used that. So that's it. This is a simple YML pipeline. So now you don't need to go with the UI and configure everything. You just need to create a service connection and provide the values. If we can go back to the pipeline. Okay, let's go to the pipeline or edit. Okay, so these are the tasks, and whenever you want to you create your service connection, then you just replace these values over here. It's a very simple one. I'll add this pipeline into the resource section, and you can see that for your reference. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.